Students, let us start with question number 1 of exercise 7.3. So question number 1 is write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? So we have given these two parts, A and B part. We have to write the fractions for these two parts and we have to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. So first of all, we'll discuss that what are equivalent fractions. Let us take example like 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 1 by 2. Let us check whether these fractions are equivalent or not. If we cancel 2 by 4, that means if we form the lowest form of this, so what we will get 1 by 2 after cancelling it. 4 by 8 को cancel करते हैं, what we will get 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 already है. So all the fractions comes out to be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we can say that 2 by 4, 4 by 8 and 1 by 2 are equivalent fractions, right? So now let's come to the first part, A part. Let us check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. In A part, just see the first figure. How many parts are there in this figure? 2 parts. So we can write fraction as 1 by 2 for the first circle. Next, second circle, how many parts are there? 4. So we can write 4 in the denominator and 2 are filled. So you will write 2 here. In the third figure, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count it. It will be 6. And how many are filled? 3 are filled. And in last one, how many parts are there? 8 parts are there. So in the denominator, we will write 8. And how many are filled? 4 are filled. So now let us cancel it. 1 by 2 already lowest form में है. 2 by 4 को cancel करते हैं. What you will get? 1 by 2. 3 by 6 को cancel करते हैं. What you will get? 1 by 2. 4 by 8 को cancel करते हैं. What you will get? 1 by 2. So you get answer as 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we can say yes, all of these fractions are equivalent fractions, right? So you can write like this, yes, all of these fractions are equivalent fractions. So similarly you can do the B part. Let us do B part. So how many circles are there and how many are filled in B part? Let us count in the first part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total are 12. In the denominator you will write 12 and how many are filled? 4 are filled. In the second figure, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are there and how many are filled? 3 are filled. In the third figure, how many circles are there? 6 circles are there and how many are filled? 2 are filled. In the fourth one, how many circles are there? Total 3 circles are there and how many are filled? 1 is filled. And in the last one, total circles are 15 and how many are filled? 6 are filled. Now if you will cancel all these fractions, इनका lowest form equal नहीं आएगी. Let us check. 4 by 12 को cancel करते हो तो कितना आएगा? 4 by 12 को cancel करने पे 1 by 3. 3 by 9 को cancel करते हो तो कितना आएगा? 1 by 3. 2 by 6 को cancel करते हो तो आंसर कितना आएगा? 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 already आपके पास 1 by 3 है. But if you will cancel 6 by 15, what you will get? 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. You will get 2 by 5. So all these fractions are not equivalent fractions, right? So this is question number 1. Let us move on to question number 2. So second question is, write the fraction and pair up the equivalent fraction to each row. See, we have given A, B, C, D, E part, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 parts are given. We have to write the fraction for each and then we have to pair up the equivalent fractions. Now let us start. A part की fraction क्या होगी आपके पास 1/2. Then B part की fraction कितनी होगी आपके पास? Just count how many total parts are there. 6 parts. So 6 you will write in the denominator and how many are filled? 4. So 4/6, and after cancelling it, what you will get? 2/3. You will get 2/3. Then come to C part. C part, how many parts are there? Total 9 parts. So you will write fraction as 3/9 because total parts are 9 and 3 are filled, and after cancelling you will get 1/3. Then D part, how many parts are there? Total parts are 8 and how many are filled? 2/8, and after cancelling it, what you will get? 1/4. Then last E part, how many parts are there? Total 4 parts are there, and how many are filled? 3 parts are filled, so you will write 3/4. Then come to this first part. How many figures are there? Total parts are 18, and how many are filled? Total 6 are filled, and after cancelling it, what you will get? After cancelling it, you will get 1/3. So ये किसके साथ मैच होगा? This will match with C part. First part आपका किससे मैच होगा? C part से. Similarly, you can do other parts, and the other parts are your homework. Just try and write in the comment box. If you find any doubt, then I will discuss this also. Let us move on to third question. Let us start with question number 3. Replace box in each of the following by correct number. आपके पास एक बॉक्स गिवन है, उसको हमें रिप्लेस करना है by the correct number. So how we'll do these questions? A part is 2/7 is equals to 8 upon 2/7 is equals to 8 upon box. This is given to you. Now just see by which number we should multiply 2 so that we get 8 as answer. So we'll multiply it with 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. So similarly we'll multiply 7 with 4, and what we will get 7 4s are 28. So the answer will be 28, right? So 8 upon 28. Come to B part. B part is 5/8. B part is 5/8 is equals to 10 upon box. Now by which number we should multiply 5 so that we get 10? We'll multiply it with 2. So 5 2s are 10. Similarly we multiply 8 with 2 and we'll get 16 as the answer. So 10/16 is the answer. Let us move on to the C part, and C part is 3/5 is equals to box upon 20. Now by which number we should multiply 5 so that we get answer as 20? 5 4s are 20. So similarly we'll multiply 3 with 4, and what we will get? We'll get 12. So 12 upon 20 is the answer. Let us move on to the D part. D part is 45 upon 60 is equals to 15 upon box. Now in A, B and C part, just see that the left hand side is smaller than the right hand side. In all the three parts A, B, C, left hand side is smaller than the right hand side. But in this part, left hand side is greater than the right hand side. So by which number we should divide 45 so that we get 15 as the answer? So we'll divide 45 with 3 and we'll get 15 as the answer. Similarly, we'll divide 60 by 3 and we'll get 20. Right? So 15 upon 20 is the answer. If left hand side is greater than the right hand side, you will divide, and if right hand side is greater than the left hand side, then you will multiply. Is this clear? So let us move on to E part. E part, you will do it yourself, and if you find out, write in the chat box. I will do it for you. So this is question number 3, and for question number 4 we'll meet in the